because I imagine the same people are in here at the start all the time. So let me know if the chat's working. Let me know if the audio is working. All of that stuff looks good. And thanks in advance for letting me know that. But shoot, we're here, AMC again. I would say a good day, but we're still down just a little bit. We haven't closed yet, so I think we can close in the green. And by now, you guys know that any green day is a good day. Mowing my lawn while I listen to my duties and hold for the moment. Let's do it, hands down. Hands down, man. I got your shirt sent out. Oh, Gordon Nash in the house. Gordon, I need to talk to you real quick, man. What's up, Nick F? Hands down, dude. I didn't know where to sign your shirt, man. I've never signed any shirts before. So, like, right here in the O, you got a Clay Bro on there. So hopefully that suffices, man, but we shall see. I don't know. I've never done it before. Clay Bro! Hey, yo, what's up? Quinn, yo, what's good, bro? Everything is good. Adrian, everything. Gordon Nash, man, guess what I got, dude? Got you a 6X shirt with your name on it. So, that technically doesn't have your name on it. It's got my name on it, right? It's got the bro on there. But, yeah, I don't know if you've got Twitter, where you want to get in touch with me at, but we got you a shirt, man. And, I don't know if Lonnie's in here. We can hook Lonnie up too if he's in here. Let me know, Lonnie. I don't know if you follow me on Twitter or not, but yeah, Gordon, got one ready to go for you, man. You just gotta let me know where to get it to. Amazon preparing to use Bitcoin, crypto, hash. I did not see that. That would be pretty sweet if they are. How's today going, Benny? My day's going good. AMC's right around where it opened up at, or where it closed at yesterday, so we'll find out. I got the notification, Alan, perfect, because a lot of people don't get notifications these days. What's up, Vigilante? Vigilante, you got a shirt and a sticker on the way, man. Nick F, thank you very much for reminding me to click silent, because it's currently not on silent, and, yeah, a little warning, guys. I have not had any of those dings today, so hopefully we have a very peaceful broadcast, and we don't get those strange dings anywhere. I want a shirt, bro. Jeremy, listen, man, we're not going to do another t-shirt giveaway for quite some time, but if you want a shirt, you can go to claybro.com, check those out. And, I don't know, we probably will be adding some new styles here pretty soon, too. Hey, bro, what is up, Newfo? How are you doing? Lots of distractions today? Yeah, there was a lot of distractions today. Stocks go up and down. I'm thankful that somebody knows that stocks go up and down. They don't just go up. I want the squeeze, and I want it now. Don't we all? Get out of here with your Clove. Hey, Clove was up a lot today, so I know the Clove people have got to be happy out there. Do you think the reverse repos are related to AMC? I don't know if they are or not. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, hands down, definitely. Stock flatlines. Stocks flatline too. They definitely do. Are the hedgies hard at it? Yes, they are, man. They all got their doors shut, which means that they're working hard. I don't want to bother them too much right now, but when their doors are shut, that means they're working hard. Will there be a huge dip before the gamma squeeze like Volkswagen? Dude, if you believe in patterns, then yeah. But if you don't believe in patterns, then no, probably won't. Hey, woo, hoodies. We do need hoodies. I actually bought a couple from the warehouse to see the different styles and things that they got out there. So yeah, I can add actual zip-up hoodies to the website here pretty soon because I did order those to test out the quality of them and what they got going on. Citadel's long positions in Clove, be careful. Yeah, Citadel. Well, Citadel's got long positions in AMC, too. I'm sure they got long and short positions all over the place. They're making money, guys. You know what happens when they make money? They can continue to cover those losses on AMC even longer. So, Clove by AMC? That's good financial advice, isn't it there, Zachary? Sup, Clay? What's up, Joe? How are you doing, man? I'm a graphic designer. I'd be happy to help. Well, thank you, Rare Form. That would be pretty cool. Currently, got my sister on the job. She's designing, printing, making all of the t-shirts. Sister, if you're watching right now, thank you for everything that you do. That is awesome. What do I think about Lube, Hum, and Clove today? And Meet Kevin spreading FUD. Matthew, I didn't see any FUD that Meet Kevin was spreading, but if you guys want to explain that a little bit, I can dilute the FUD out there. Dude, I can dilute the FUD better than Adam Aaron can dilute the stock. So, yeah, if you guys want to talk about the FUD he's got going on out there, I'll dilute that for you. But I did not see Lou. I did not see Lou's video today, so I don't know what he was pumping. Were you nervous today about AMC? All these distractions. Me, woo, I can assure you that I did not spend 1 minute of my day nervous at all, man. I was not nervous at all. Clove to 50 to 100. Ooh, Brian, that would be a little intense for Clove, I believe. But, no. It's not the same thing as AMC here. I'm waiting till Friday to sell my Clove. Okay, wait till Friday to sell your Clove. That's fine. Lou became got big check from Citadel. I don't know what Lou became. Me too. If I can buy more, I would. Perfect, Lou. Or perfect, woo. Woo, Lou, who? Man, everybody wants to talk about Lou today. He must have had a great video, didn't he? Clove is fool's gold. Listen, they doubled their money today on Clove. So, fool's gold or not, they still made a little bit of money. Hopefully they put that back into AMC, but want to buy more AMC options, but it takes forever for funds to settle on Webull. Yeah, it does take about 5 days for your funds to settle on Webull. I don't think that's that big of a problem. I mean, if you're trying to deposit something and buy today, that might be a little bit of a problem, but I don't think it's that big. How much did Lou get paid? I don't know what Lou got paid. Hey, bro, finally, dude, 3:30. You guys know by now. Look, here's the deal. 3:30. M. James, I'm glad you're in here instead of hanging out with Matt because I'm sure he's live. But, yeah, it's very difficult to get people to hang out with before 4 o'clock when that closes. So, Clove is up 88%. Yes, it is. You put it into AMC. Very nice, Yahira. Very nice. Can you answer your question? What was your question? Yes, I can definitely answer it. Whatever your question was, I can answer it. What's up, bro? Watching you from... Oh, man, where's that flag? Is that Mexico? And holding strong till we see 999 per share. What is that flag? I don't know. Somebody help me with that flag real quick. I'm glad you're watching from there. Came over from Max. Nice, Sky. Nice. Mexico. All right, sweet. That's what I thought it was, but I didn't want to seem like a noob that didn't know. And thank you. At least 3,500. Let's go, Robert. Let's go. Came from Matt's too. Man, all you guys coming over from Matt's. We'll see how many. Wouldn't it be nice? Wouldn't it be beautiful if like all 70,000 people that watched that dude during the day came over here and all of a sudden I had no idea what to do? Is week going to be flat? Hey, Sokol, this week could be a little flat. It could go down. It could go up, man. That's how stocks work. And you got to be prepared for any and all of those situations. So be happy that we're sitting here around that $54, $55 level of support. And we got to stay strong. Here in Tennessee, very nice, Mac. Or Matt, Claybro owns, no, Mac, it was Matt. I said Matt so many times, I thought everybody's name was Matt. No, Claybro owns 330, Matt knows it. Dude, I don't know 330. Matt owns the entire day, I don't know 330. Market or limit order, when squeeze happens. Depends, do you want to guarantee that your order gets fulfilled or do you want to guarantee the price that you get? Those are pretty much the two things that you have to look out for if you're using a market or limit order. 1230 here. Yeah, M. James, kind of early for you, isn't it? Clove, is it a trap? I don't know. You could have got out already, so I don't think it was a trap. Thank you, Clay. Lance, thank you very much. Andrew is a no-go for me. I'm talking about Mo Money, or I don't know who you're talking about there. Possibly Mo Money. I don't know. Let's just say Andrew. Can I just ask, the short interest and on-loan shares are gently decreasing, yet the price isn't changing all that much. What if this happens until no shorted stocks? Well, dude, Tysus, if this happens until no shorted stocks, then that's exactly what you're going to see. A lot of people always ask, what if they cover nice and slow? Will it still squeeze? No, probably not. But, dude, you're looking at estimated numbers. You're looking at the Ortex estimated numbers. Honestly, I wouldn't pay a terrible amount of attention to those because they're estimates. Jamal Jackson, thank you for the super chat. Your hardcore bros are here right now. You were the type of guy to say yes when a cashier asks if you want to donate to the Change to Make-A-Wish. Donate your Change to Make-A-Wish. Props. Jamal Jackson, thank you very much for that. And yes, I have been known on occasion to say yes. So I don't know how you figured that out about me. Maybe you were behind me in line one day and you saw me say yes. I don't know, but I have been known to say yes. I dug through, I don't know if that through is the correct through, the couch cushions and bought 2 more shares of AMC today. Josh! Very nice, man. You have some expensive couch cushions. If you got like $110, yeah, Matt Perry. If you get like $110 chilling in your couch cushions, I'm going to come over sometime. I'll sleep on the couch. You might not find me the next morning, but I'll come over. Look at that bull flag on the 1 hour chart. You could probably find a bull flag anywhere and never look at a 1 hour chart. But let's pull up a 1 hour chart and see what we got there. I mean, if you want to call that a bull, that's an awfully long flag if it's a bull flag. But you could probably come up with a bull flag anywhere you want. What did you make of the Wes Christian interview today? I don't know. I didn't see the Wes Christian interview today. Vigilante in the house. Yes, Vigilante in the house. Hey, Vigilante, your shirt says Vigilante. So if your mailman's like, who the heck is Vigilante? That's you. Under the mattress was full. Had to hide the gold in the couch. All right, good, Josh. That's a good place for it. Gordon. Hey, Clay, I wasn't able to send you a direct message on Twitter. Gordon, that is because I do not follow you on Twitter. So, yeah, Vigilante, you can cut that out and frame it if you want, man. Terrible handwriting. But, yeah, your mailman's going to know now that you're the AMC Vigilante. Gordon, I'm going to have to follow you back, dude. Best way to probably get in touch with me there so I know it's you is just at me. At Claybro883. And then it was written in crayon. No, it was written in Sharpie. But, yeah, Gordon, message me on Twitter, man, but just do at Claybro, and then I'll be able to follow you because I'll know it's you. Will this ever break 60? Rashawn, yes, it will. June before September 1st. Squeeze before September 1st. Man, we sure hope so. We sure hope so. Hi, guys. Working, but wanting to say, hey, Joanne, thank you for being here while you work. Appreciate that. Jamal Jackson, we should all put glue at the bottom of our shoes and meet at the strip club so we can all buy more shares. What? Yes, let's do that. Let's do that. I don't know what the... guys, I must have missed something about the putting glue at the bottom of our shoes deal. I don't know. Now I got to think for a minute. I got to answer all these questions while I'm thinking about putting glue on the bottom of your shoes. If somebody wants to explain that to me, glue collects the change. Okay, Matt. Thank you, man. I'm like, what are we putting glue on the bottom of our shoes for? Somebody, don't embarrass me, but somebody help me here. Do you think the people that are, Luca, thank you for the super chat, don't get distracted from the other stocks. Take those profits to AMC. You know where we started, and we will not stop until we win this. Guys, 100%. Hopefully, you remember where we came from because AMC is the play. Sure, if you've got funds out there that aren't currently invested in AMC because you don't want to invest anymore, you don't want to focus more of your portfolio on AMC, yeah, take advantage of some other stocks. I don't have a problem diversifying, but awfully dangerous game if you think you're going to take your profits in AMC and then jump into one of these other runners like BlackBerry or Clover or something else, Microvision, and then you miss out on the squeeze because you jump to one of the other ones. Oh, strip club has surprisingly good lunch buffets. Very, very nice. Clay, I would love to see you, Matt, and Trey do a simultaneous broadcast. Chandler, you mean together or you just mean at the same time? Because I'm pretty sure we do stream at the same time, and that's why there's 284 people in here. And as soon as Matt's done streaming in about 15 minutes, we're going to have a few more people come in here. Cooks are topless, too. Oh, my gosh, you guys are loving the strip club today, huh? Do you ever think the market is so corrupt that no matter what we do, they'll find a way to sweep us under the rug? Breakdown. No, I don't. I know there's a lot of people in here and a lot of people on YouTube right now that probably would think that the market is that corrupt. But, dude, if you think the market's that corrupt, I would say investing might not be for you. Although it's possible, you're playing like you're never going to be able to sleep right. You're never going to be able to relax thinking that at any given time they could just say, well, push this one down. Then, at night, y'all can come to another AMC hype channel. Yes! Matt Perry, yes. The Vigilante is getting his channel up and running. I think he said this week. So if you guys want to see Vigilante, dude might stay up a little later than I do. So I don't know what time he's going on. But, yeah, definitely check that dude out on the weekends or weeknights, whatever he's got planned, whatever he plans on doing there. I believe this weekend, very nice, very nice. If we finish green, it's going to be sweet. Dude, if we finish green, it's going to be sweet. We are currently green right now with 15 minutes left to go. I know you're a FUD. You accept Bitcoin. I've seen it multiple times. Dude, if you guys want to send me Bitcoin, I'll accept the Bitcoin for sure. But I don't know what you mean that I'm a FUD and you've seen me accept Bitcoin because I have 0 Bitcoin. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Brett. If somebody wants to send me Bitcoin, I can create an address. I can create a Bitcoin wallet right now. If you guys want to send me some, send as much as you want, right? I'll accept Bitcoin too. I'm pretty sure everybody in here would be willing to throw their wallet out there and then accept some Bitcoin. So I forget who said that now, but if you would like me to create a wallet, I can do that very quickly, and then you could send me some Bitcoin. Yep, the internet was slow this morning, preventing me from buying more. Coincidence? Walker! I don't know, man. I don't know if that's coincidence or not. I would like to say yes, but I don't know if it's coincidence or not. O2 mechanics, I believe, could be. We're talking about more of those regulations when you say O2, right? Above 100 would cause. Now, I don't know if above 100 is definitely going to cause a squeeze. I've seen, have you guys seen, listen, let me just ask you straight up. Because Carissa, what about bro coin? We need a bro coin, guys. We need a bro coin out there, or a bro token or something. We need that. What is the dude's name? Oh man, he sounds like he's some Italian dude or from Jersey or somewhere. Brand new, pumping a bunch of AMC videos that YouTube is promoting the crap out of. Now I don't even know what his name is, man. And now I don't even know. No, not Lou. No, Richard. It's Richard. Richard something. Yeah, Richard. I think Vigilante's gonna do very well if he gets a channel out there and he's pumping AMC or whatever. I think he's gonna see a lot of YouTube promotion because for some reason or another, YouTube is really pumping some of these new YouTube channels. Yeah, dude is Flash and Cash. Oh, the Richard guy. Is that what you're saying? Flash and Cash? I don't watch all of his videos. I've seen a couple of clips from him. But yeah, YouTube, man. YouTube's loving the new AMC YouTubers right now. And I don't know if they've got some sort of secret agenda about pumping some of the new guys. But yeah, you'll see a lot of them. What are the chances the hedges get bailed out? Shane, the hedge funds would get bailed out thanks to margin calls. So I really doubt that they get free money from anywhere. I think they will get margin called, and that's technically a bailout, right? That allows them not to go bankrupt. Was Clover a distraction? I don't know. It didn't distract me, so it wasn't a distraction to me. Is anybody out there? Did anybody lose focus because of Clover today? Did anybody sell AMC to buy Clover? If yes, if your answer is yes, then Clover was a distraction. If you didn't, say something inspiring for the new apes. I bought my first share today. M. James, you did not buy your first share today. If you want something inspiring, listen up and listen good. Guys, AMC is not guaranteed, okay? It is not something like a lot of these people are going to tell you that you buy a $50 share right now and you're going to sit on $500,000 by the end of the month. That's not the case. But AMC is potentially going to offer you a better return than any other stock in the market right now. Why? Because it's detached from fundamentals. We're not investing in AMC as a company right now. What we're investing in is a blank check written and signed directly by the hedge funds. That's what you buy when you're buying a share of AMC. Now, what can you do with a blank check? The same thing anybody else can. You write your price on it. How do you write your price? You wait. You don't sell it back. And if you can accomplish those two things, all you have to do is hold that share of AMC, and if everybody else does the same thing and they hold their share of AMC, then you get the price you want and you get the price that you can hold out for, and that is so much better than any other stock that you can invest in based on fundamentals. Yeah, the other investments might be safer, but if you're trading AMC, you have a blank check guaranteed by the hedge funds as long as you hold out and don't sell it back to them. So that's a good way to look at it. Hopefully that inspires some of the new apes out there. I don't know if we have any new apes out of the 339 that are in here, but hey, Blank Check was a great movie. That cockroach was choking out. You guys know, man, it's great. Mr. Simon, thank you for the super chat. Trey, Matt Kors, Clay, Tyler Investments, and Matthew Perry, my favorite YouTubers, the veterans, the real ones. All the other YouTubers talking about AMC popped out of nowhere. Mr. Simon, thank you very much. I appreciate that. Glad that I made the list. Yeah, there's a lot of guys, and I would say, I don't know, there's a couple other ones that do like exclusive AMC content and that have been around for a little while now. But hey, man, I don't know. I'm glad that everybody's out there trying to make their thing happen and trying to get the word out for AMC. But I also like the fact that we all have different approaches to it. Mr. Microsoft is my new name. Carissa. Do you want me to call you Mr. Microsoft? Clay, when is the share count results? Gonzalo. I don't know. I heard some stuff about June 9th, about some share count results. But I thought originally that Adam Aaron said that he wasn't going to talk about how many accounts held AMC until the shareholder meeting. So if anybody has an update on that, let us know. But I thought that's what it was. What are you doing at the price action today? It feels so weird that we can't break 60. Rashawn, man, I don't feel that weird that we can't break 60. I really don't. I think that we've seen an excellent increase. I know you guys like 1 minute bars for some reason. I use 5 minute, which you basically get to see the day. But if you look at a daily chart, my goodness, the position that we were in right now, my goodness, it looks incredible. And we're not even close to any of the moving averages. We are looking beautiful on a daily chart. So please don't forget that, guys. This is a pretty uneventful day for the stock. Dude, yeah, it's a pretty uneventful day, but that's okay. We need a little bit of a break. If you guys, like, if we had days where we double in price every day, people won't be able to sustain this type of action, and we need that sustainability. If SEC shuts down the hedge funds, do they still have to buy back the shares they shorted? Yes, they still have to cover those shares, man. It's an obligation, even if they're shut down, even if they go bankrupt. So if they go bankrupt, the margin calls, the lender has to cover those shares. So one way or another, those shares will be covered. Whether it's the hedge fund, if they don't go bankrupt, or whether it's the lender, those shares will be covered. So no worries there, guys. No worries about your shares not being covered. Do you like GameStop as well as AMC? I like GameStop as well as AMC, yes, but I don't have any GameStop. I'm focused on AMC, guys, and I have no problem with diversifying. If you want both of them, don't think that just because I have AMC or just because somebody else only has GameStop, that it's not a good idea to hit both. I think it's definitely a good idea to get into both. I will always promote diversification and not going 100% into one thing. Clearly, you can make a lot of money if you go 100% all in, but I wouldn't feel right telling you guys to not diversify your portfolio. What's up, bro? What's up, Phil? How are you doing? What analytics metrics would you pay attention to no squeeze isn't happening and when to get out? To know when it isn't happening, I don't know, man. If you want to believe Ortex's estimated data, you could use that. That's one thing that you could look at and look at your short interest there. But it's estimated. So what are they estimating that on? I have no idea. If anybody knows where they're estimating their data from, please bring it to light. But other than that, man, you got to look at what is known, and that only comes out, I believe, bi-monthly. So it's definitely something that you're not going to know real time for certain. Clay, so much nonsense. Thoughts on AMC realistically going to 1,000 and thoughts on timing. No, Jim, man, Jim, I definitely think that AMC can reach 1,000. If everybody stays true, I don't think that we're going to see such a drastic level of temptation to close out your positions before that beautiful 1,000, 4 digits. Dude, I think that we will see a lot of people closing out at 1,000. Whether or not we see enough to like ruin the squeeze, close out at 1,000, I don't know. Because if we get there and people are diamond handing the stock, we could blow right past 1,000. So it all depends. But yeah, I think that we're going to see a lot of potential for 1,000 if people stick to the plan and hold the stock. AMC 1,000 would be awesome, dude. I would love so much if AMC hit 1,000. Charmander, thanks you, Clay. Well, Charmander, I think hopefully you grow up into a nice Charmeleon and Charizard one day. I'm brand new to all this, and I'm staying on this highway to heaven until we get to heaven. Very good, Pat Webster. Jamal Jackson, do you think we've hit some sort of volume exhaustion? Jamal, no, what's volume today, man? What's volume today? 200 million. I still think we're doing good at 200 million. When we get a little more volatile, look, volatility and volume work hand in hand. You know, more volume, the more volatile. The more volatile, the more volume. So it's kind of like one helps the other helps the other. But dude, 200 million shares is still a lot of shares for AMC to be trading. I want to see that number, and you guys know it by now. I want to see that number go drastically lower, though. I want to see it go drastically lower, and I would love to see a nice, steady increase on drastically lower volume. Steve Danger, you are not first, my friend. You are like 397th. Bought Clove today and jumped to 2,000 profit. Very good. That was a nice trade. I think tomorrow will be a red day across the market. Very well could be, man. I don't know. It's impossible to predict the market, but red day or green day. Guess what I'm doing with AMC? I'm holding the stock. My bad. Just switched over from the Yeezy Gap stream. Well, I was surprised you weren't in Mac Horse stream, unless you're on nickname basis with him by now and you call him Yeezy Gap. I'm expecting a green day tomorrow. It's getting very tight. Hey man, green day, red day. What's the alternative? We're gonna see one of those. All good. Urban, those type of questions sound like FUD. Clay can't know that information. No one can besides the covers. The process is the same. Hold. Yes. And Urban, I did not see the information there. Sorry about that. But that's true. So I don't know what he was exactly referencing, but if you're talking about how many shares they're actually covering in real time, the only people that are going to know that are the ones that are covering. Doesn't matter, green or red, still holding. That is my plan, Donald. That is my plan. Just asking when they will cover. Yeah. It's impossible to know when they're going to cover, guys, but if you want to know who could actually, like if you guys don't think that I believe in manipulation, not to the extent that you guys do, certainly, but here, if you want to talk about manipulation, the hedge funds will know the exact minute that they cover their last short position in AMC, so they will know the absolute peak. You and I won't know it. They will know it. So expect some more short positions to be sold at that peak and expect them to play that downside very well because they're going to have the advantage when it comes to knowing the peak. You and I won't. They will. Tomorrow's Wednesday, and our movement was a little sideways. So, do expect a red day tomorrow. Don't let it mess with you. Yeah. Guys, red day, green day, they're okay. We've been really spoiled lately with the gains in AMC, so please don't forget that. Please don't forget that if AMC trades sideways for a minute, we're trading sideways at $55, not $5.50. That makes you smart. Dr. Hannibal, I don't know what makes me smart, but you are smart as well, my friend. Do you have options or just shares? I just have shares, but if you guys want to buy options, excellent. If you know how to buy options, if you know what options are, they can be an excellent way to leverage your position. Or if you want to day trade and take advantage of the volatility, I would prefer doing that with options instead of actual shares of AMC. Quinn, thank you for the super chat. If apes can't afford to keep buying at prices above 50 and without a major catalyst soon, will just holding fulfill the prophecy? Quinn, if we absolutely couldn't afford to push the price up anymore, if literally all the apes exhausted all of their money and we had no other buyers coming in, but your second part of that statement rings true. If we held, if nobody sold, then yes, the prophecy would still come true. If you got volume down to excruciatingly low levels, that also increases the risk for hedge funds because it causes them to know that they can't just go out and cover their positions at any time they want. They would spend a month or 2 months covering their positions if nobody was selling the stock. So yes, if we lost all buying pressure for some reason, we could do it just by holding the stock. I bought a family member some shares today. Very nice, Natalie. That is a very good family member. You're not the only one who can manipulate their shorts. I yell, grabbing my crotch outside Citadel bread. Oh my gosh. Battle of 55. We will make it. We will make it through. 55 and change. Yes, we're going to close above 55 today. We will be in the green, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Less than a minute until close. I think we can close in the green above 55. Man, what a flat day, but we can do it. I'm watching. I'm watching right now. I'm watching right now. 55.01. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Are we going to make it? Are we going to make it? 55.03 is what I'm seeing. 55.05. We're green. 08. We're green right now. 05.03, 05. I'm showing 55.04. What do you guys got on the close? We're definitely going to settle here in a minute, but I'm showing 55.04 on the chart. Clay, what do you think it will squeeze in time for me to order a 2022 Forte? Yes, I do think it's going to squeeze in time for you to order a 2022 Forte. We could probably order at the same time, man. Everybody's showing 55.04, 55.05. All right, cool. Today was flat. Oh boy. Well, nothing wrong with being flat, guys. We closed a little bit in the green today. We had a nice little bump. We did good. It's a win. It is a win. Green, baby. We had a green candle, and that's all we're here for. Can you feel it now? Yes, they can feel it now. And we got Gonzalo throwing out ducks. We know that he came over from Matt's chat. We're going to see who comes in from Matt's chat now, guys. Just like AMC, the trading day is over with. There's 386 people in here. Let's see who comes over from Matt's chat, and we'll call them out, right? When 2022 Kia K5. Before Lambo, Xavier. That's me. Steve, you're coming from Matt's chat. Is that you? Duck, duck, duck. Matt. Where Moon? Me. Gene is coming from Matt's. Okay, well, good. See, I know you guys will be coming over from there. I'm watching both live streams. Dude, how you watching both live streams? You got 2 devices, or what are you doing? He's still live? The dude should just close right at the belt. Cut me some slack. Green Day, that's what I'm talking about, guys. Shane, how long could this play out before a big move up or down? Dude, it could play out. We can see a big move up after hours. We can see a big move up 2 months from now. There's no telling how long it can last. They have the capital to make this thing drag out for quite some time. What's good, though, is we hold strong in the 50s from where we started, and we up a lot. Luca. People don't realize it, man. People that just got in the last week or two, when we saw all those FOMO buyers jumping on, they don't realize that we're up from $5 just a couple months ago, $2 from a couple months before that. Like, we're doing very well, guys. Coming over from Matt. Nice, Alan. Nice. Thank you for being in here. I appreciate that. And thank you very much for the super chat. You are the man. Laptop and Matt on TV with no volume. Okay. Very nice, JT Wisco. Very nice. Clay doesn't pay for that. He said that's the Citadel waiting room. If this squeezes, it's going to look worse. DPG! I don't know what's going to look worse. The Citadel waiting room back here? They might tear it down, dude. Hi from Miami. Love you 100,000. The party is just getting started. Well, hello from Ohio. Miami is a very nice place to be. Thank you for loving me. Love you too. Make sure to click the like button or the love button. And, yeah, we're taking AMC to the moon, guys. We're all here, and we're all making money on AMC at this point. They're bleeding bad. AMC Trapper, dude, they are bleeding so bad right now. It's if you're not happy about anything, be happy that the hedge funds are losing money. And there's the chat. Rocket is in the chat. What is up, Rocket? Glad to have you here. Can add more shares. Yeah, I got a little buying power left in my portfolio. I don't have a ton of buying power left. I can add some more shares. Can you add some more shares? I don't know. How many shares you got, Clay? I've got shares, man. I've got shares. Here's the deal. I don't want to influence anybody to buy more shares, buy less shares, anything like that. So we don't have to talk specific numbers or anything. If you want to share how many numbers or how many shares you got, absolutely, man. You're not the one on the screen, but I don't want to cause anybody to do anything that they otherwise wouldn't do. Bring back alert tone from yesterday. Tom, here's the deal, man. I would, but I don't even know where it was coming from. So hard to bring it back because I don't even know where it was coming from, honestly. Let's get out the hood. Let's do it, Orlando. Let's get out the hood, man. 1055 and holding. Very nice, JT. Bought one more today just to get that to 669. Very nice, Brett. It's a good number there. I added, gonna hold now. Gonna sell the house next. Diamond hands. Well, dude, if you want to sell your house and buy AMC, that would definitely be going all in. 115 on Porf, but not for long. Did you not pour, local? Come on. Need to get up, but have 250. Gina, 250 is an excellent size portfolio or position in AMC there. Do not be ashamed of that. Kevin's got 2,000. Very good. You see, we got portfolio sizes very diverse. Your portfolios I love it, guys. I love it. Everybody's from different locations. Everybody's got different portfolio sizes. It's a beautiful thing to see all of us coming together. One share matters. If you guys don't believe that one share matters, it absolutely does. Because that's one share that the hedge funds cannot buy back. It's one share that they're going to have to write a bigger check for. Ryan, thank you for the super chat. What does Ryan have to say? How do you feel about the channel Stimulate and Trade? Ryan, I don't know. Stimulate and Trade, the channel, man. I don't know right offhand. If I saw their thumbnails or their like channel picture, I would probably know who you're talking about. But I don't know right offhand who Stimulate and Trade is. So, how do I feel about them? I feel good, man. I feel like they might have some good stuff going on out there, but I can't speak directly on them because I'm not exactly sure if I'm thinking about the right person right now. How do you feel about Lou promoting Clove? I don't know everything that Lou promotes. I don't know, guys. I would be very careful with what Lou promotes, but yeah, I don't know if he was promoting Clove or not. So if he was, day trade Clove. If you guys have a portion of your portfolio set aside for day trading and long-term holding, I don't care if you day trade Clove. Just don't day trade AMC. If it doesn't matter if you grow or short, poke the hedge funds, and that is the goal: is to poke the hedge funds, right? We want to poke them until they're dry. Are you a financial advisor? And is my capital at risk? Tysus, no, I am not a financial advisor. And is your capital at risk? Absolutely. Anytime you buy a stock, anytime you buy equity in anything, it is at risk, okay? Just know that. Citadel owns Clover. Why are people going to buy it? Hey, Citadel technically owns a lot of shares of AMC, too. I can't speak to his info. I haven't been able to make it past the random noise of Batman VA across the eyes in any of his videos. Yeah, I can't speak too much on it either. So, robot voice guy. Who's robot voice? Me? Citadel owns Ribs of Stocks. Ribs of Stocks, yes. So many rooks. What did Wu have to say? Do not be influenced, but have your own convictions. Please, guys, that is the #1 goal. Have confidence that you are making the right decision. Graciela! Hola, Clegg. ¿Cómo estás? Say hi to my grandson, Julian. He is 2, and he is 2 holding for him 1 share. Let's go AMC. Well, hello, Julian. I hope that you are having a wonderful day today. Grandson. Grandma Graciela is an amazing woman. So, yes, have fun with Grandma today. Sup, Clay? What's up, Jerry? Clove is FUD. I don't know if Clove is FUD. You made a lot of money on Clove today, didn't you? Clay, bro, M. James. What is going on, man? AMC only. AMC only, guys. That's the main focus on this channel, right? But AMC only in your portfolio, that's a really, really risky play. And I wouldn't feel right saying go 100% all in and never diversify. So I will continue to say, diversify your portfolios. What happened to the hair today? What's wrong with the hair? You don't like the hair? I thought it looks the same. How is this obviously not market manipulation to the media? I don't know. Looks like trading to me. Cookie says, just kidding. His hair's still here, right? Maybe back up a little bit. I don't know why I always get so close to the camera and I'm like, what's up, guys? Blah, blah, blah. AMC's great. Dude, just sit back a little bit. Give these people some space, man. Goodness, I can read from here. My eyes aren't that bad. Although, if I need to scroll, that's probably why I keep coming in. Super chat, thank you very much, Elaine. Have you heard rumors on hedge fund cyber attack? No, I have not heard rumors on that, but I think somebody was cyber attacking my phone yesterday with all those dings. So it could be true. They might be cyber attacking people, and I might have been victim with all of those dings you guys were hearing yesterday. Clay, you need to trim those spider legs. I don't even know what a spider leg is, man. Oh my god. You guys got names for everything, dude. I swear I must live under a rock. Oh boy. Wish and Clove, a move by Hedges to distract AMC. Massive movement. Stay together, AMC apes. Yeah, I don't know if Clover was a distraction or not, but people did make some money on Clover, right? Clay and his 8 skinny legs. That's why we only get the top half. That is me. I've got 8. I do have 2 skinny legs, guys. I've got 2 skinny legs, but I don't know about 8, right? If I have 8 legs, that's why you only get the top half. Would you say lows, highs, and highs, lows today is a bullish pennant? Let's look at what was going on today. Yeah, dude, I would say that we've got some bearish pennant or bullish pennant. I don't know if it was necessarily a bullish pennant because we came down if you're looking strictly intraday, but we need the consolidation in my opinion. Oh no, Clay bro, do you skip leg day? Leg day, no, you don't always skip leg day, but leg day is the worst day of the week, man. Come on, worst workout, not one day a week, but leg days are terrible. JT Wisco, thank you for the super chat. I think it's important for everyone to watch the video with Matt interviewing Wes. Teaches you everything regarding naked shorts, wants to destroy hedge funds. JT Wisco, which video is that? I have not seen it, but I probably should watch it. I don't know how you destroy naked shorts. If he knows, great. I don't know if you can. 0.07% today. LOL, the hedgies won't let us pass 60. What's with the 60 number? They held us for 2 days. Dude, 2 days is okay, right? It's okay if they hold us there for 2 days. I'm not concerned about 2 days. That was on the live stream today. Okay, Savage, thank you for letting me know. I don't know what part of the live stream. If you guys remember, like what time, it would definitely be worth looking into then. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. They have options at 60. Okay, they might not want to let us pass 60. He will post it tonight. JT Wisco, very good. If you post it tonight, definitely, guys, check that out. Video posted later today. Man, you guys know everything. You guys really did hang out with Matt today. So awesome. Does anybody notice that every time options are about to expire, they drive the price down so they expire worthless? Where does the money go? Just to the broker? No, it goes to the guy that sold the option. So it depends who sold you the option. If the brokers and market makers are selling the option, then yeah, it goes to them. I wish a package would show up at my house. It says Oh, no. M. James. It doesn't say 007. It just says M. James. It just says M. James, man. It doesn't say 007. So if you can write 007 on it later if you want, but it does not say 007. It just says M. James. It will be the interview only. Okay, cool. M. James, send it back. No, dude, don't send it back. Don't send it back. You can just write 007 on there. Don't send it back. Clay bro, GameStop has shareholders meeting tomorrow and will likely go up. Do you think AMC will follow? If it does go up, I believe that there's a good chance it will follow. Both of these stocks are acting in a crazy correlation. So I believe that, yeah, if GameStop has a good day, AMC's probably going to have a good day as well. Hold until Friday and beyond Friday, man. Who decides when the borrowed shares need to be returned? When they need to be returned, that's the lender. The lender decides when they need to be returned. Otherwise, they just lend it out and reap the borrow rate. Thought it would reach $75 today, but thought wrong. And you're okay with $55, right? Nobody's stressed out at $55. Eddie, I don't know. You must have some nerves or crossed in your brain, and every time you go to the bathroom, you think it's Citadel. Price prediction by like Friday. Retesting the high. Retesting the all-time high. That is my price prediction. Man, I was really hoping for a pretty green day, but still positive. Dude, we did have a pretty green day. It wasn't a very green day, but it was a pretty green day. Squeeze! Let's squeeze. Squeezing. Green is good. Ronald, green is great. Any time that we can close in the green, that is a great day, guys. Please don't think that we need to have 100% days every single day. What is the mood there in the Citadel lobby? Very quiet. Chill. I can hear some rumbling and tumbling from the offices off in the distance, but the waiting room right here, very lonely and quiet. Still making more money each day with AMC, can't complain. Yes, don't forget that either, guys. Is there still going to be a squeeze? Bob, yes, there will still be a squeeze. Warren Buffett, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. And guys, who in here is patient? Is anybody patient? I'm patient. If you're patient, let us know. Somebody's 67. I don't know what you're saying about 67, but $80 end of week. Okay, very good. I'll wait. Nick F will wait. That must mean he is patient. Trey's patient AF. Ruben, Ronald, Matt, since January. That's patient too. Yeah, it's been diamond handing since February. You guys seem to be patient. Let's get some likes for Clay. Thank you very much, Steve. I would appreciate some likes for sure. Diamond hands is patient. That is the whole key here. G Baby's patient as well. Squeeze next week, maybe. We'll find out. Late February. Okay, very good, M. James. L. Randall, thank you for super chat. Seeing your account go from 24,000 to 24,000 up to 4K down to 5K up for the day. My shares and calls were bought when we were trading at $9, $130 calls, right? So we're talking about there. Hashtag patience. Yes, L. Randall, that is the way to be, man. Excellent. Kevin Diego, thank you for the super chat. Greetings from Mexico. Buy more AMC tonight. Gracias. Muchas gracias, Kevin. Thank you very much, man, for the super chat. The word is to buy more AMC tonight, guys. That is the plan, and we shall do it. Let's go, baby. Let's go to the moon. Do you believe AMC can go as high as GME? What is your belief? Yes, Jonathan, I do believe that it can. I believe that it can actually surpass the high that we saw on GameStop before. So yes, gracias, Kevin. Gracias. Your Spanish is no bueno. Man, it doesn't matter if it's good or bad as long as you understood me. Any thoughts on Sensonics? It's got potential. That's my thoughts on that, man. It's got potential. Because I've done several videos on Sensonics in the past. So yes, I know it's got potential, man. And it seems to be some good technology. I don't know if they're going to get FDA approval or not, or if they already have it. I don't know anything about approval, but yeah, it seems to be that it's got some good potential there. It's Cardano. It got good stock to buy now. Cardano, like the currency, or Cardona? Are you talking about Cardano or Cardona? Thoughts on Clove? It made a lot of money today, man. Guys, I know a lot of people are worried about Clove, but it made a lot of money, so it's good. Diabetes is highly prevalent. Yes, so Sensonics is going to have a good market if they've got some good technology. When in doubt, zoom out. I'm new to stocks, but patience is key. Adrian, please, guys, I know a lot of people like instant gratification, but man, if you can't see the long-term graph, please zoom out and look at the long-term graph for a moment. Yes, Clove was on fire today. Knox up over 100% at one point. I don't even know where it's at right now, but up over 100% at one point. Yo te tengo AMC, no vendo AMC. Yes, guys, please hold AMC and don't sell it. Cash in your AMCX and buy AMC. Yeah, because if you have AMCX, you got the wrong share. So buy AMC. How long does the short squeeze last? Does the price jump in minutes, hours, days? Dude, it can last a cookie. It can last hours. It can last minutes. If nobody sells the shares, it will last days or weeks. But if everybody just goes out and closes their position, then it's going to be a very fast squeeze. So I'm hoping for low volume. I'm hoping people do what they say they're going to do, hold the share, and we really see a long, drawn-out squeeze. With those 145 million shares executed tomorrow for AMC, the options potentially expiring, the money this week. Yeah, Aiden. So 145. So if there were 145 million call options or shares that expired in the money, they have until T+2 to buy those back. So we could see a nice bump tomorrow, but I don't know how long or how many shares they've been buying to cover those options throughout the start of the week either. Clay, have shorts begun to cover? We should assume yes, but the numbers say otherwise. So we're sitting here and we don't see any drastic decrease in short interest. So no, it's most likely that they don't, but please don't think that they're never going to cover either. The more DD I see and do on AMC, the more I believe it will be the mother of all short squeezes. Simon, me too, man. Me too. Daddy Clay, oh boy. Clay Bro, man, not Daddy Clay. Daddy Clay's that's a different channel. Clay Bro is this channel. I'm the leader, Alex. Very good. If you don't sell, they can't buy. If they can't buy, they can't cover. If they can't cover AMC, they can't stop us. AMC. Healthy, wealthy. Yes. It's as simple as that. And I'm so glad that everybody knows how easy it is. Squeeze when? Squeeze soon. Hold naked shorts. Yeah. Yes, hold naked shorts. Yeah. Why was the volume so low today? Vance, the volume was not low today, man. 200 million shares on AMC is not low volume. Daddy Clay is Clay Bros OnlyFans. Daddy Clay is a different channel. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a different channel. So please, don't go out there checking for Daddy Clay. Clay Brony is the man. Daniel, you're the man. Patience, Marky, patience. Just got in. What did I miss? You haven't missed too much, man. You haven't missed too much. We're down a little bit after hours right now, but it's seeming to be pretty steady. Just really consolidating very nicely. I have rock hands. Well, rock hands are better than paper hands. Diamond hands are better than rock hands. Clay Breezy, what's up, Righteous? Thank you for hearing. Something missed that. I saw Stepsister after I clicked. Honest, everyone. Rocket, thank you for the super chat, man. He saw Stepsister after I clicked. Honest. Everyone. Yes, it's just an honest mistake, dude. I mean, it happens when you see Stepsister, so it's okay. No, now you guys are getting crazy with this. It's Clay Bro, not Daddy Clay. Clove, just a distraction. Clove is apparently distracting a lot of you guys because a lot of you are very interested in Clover. So it's proving to be a very good distraction for a lot of you. Do they have to cover their short positions? And if so, by the end of the year? Nefster, they do have to cover their short positions. They don't have any specific date on when they have to cover and buy. If they can provide the liquidity and they don't get margin called, then they can hold them forever. But it's just the way it is. If they can't continue to suffer the loss, if the lenders say we've had enough, then they will cover. But that's where it's at. Have scissor hands like Edwards. Well, Knox, I don't know if that's better than paper or not. When will naked squeeze occur of AMC? Naked squeeze is never going to occur. I don't even know what a naked squeeze is. Why is the shirt still on, Clay? Nancy, it's cold in here. They keep the air conditioning on in this lobby, and it's very cold in here. I feel like it's a pretty big bull flag from June 2nd to today. Yeah, it's starting to consolidate nicely, so we might see something start out on a daily chart here. It could be a pretty nice daily bull flag for sure. Yes, maybe you're naked while the stock is squeezing. That could be a naked squeeze. Yeah, that is one way to look at it. Clove can buzz off, and AMC is due for a trip to the mothership. Let's do it. Oh boy, a lot of you guys, man, you good there, right? Hey, naked shares is fake shares. No, I know what naked shares are, man. I know what naked shares are for sure. Please, trust me when I say that I know what naked shares are. What's up, brothers? Hey, Clay Bros hair. I'm going to have to get your stuff sent out again, dude, because post office said, no, this is wrong. Naked Clay squeeze. Now I don't even know what's going on anymore. Can you explain why the share count doesn't expose the naked share synthetics? If I can't tell if my shares are real or synthetics, would every real share or synthetic share be reported if it's so confusing? John, let's break it down, man. The share count won't expose synthetic shares. Why? Because they only count the shares on record. And the shares on record are just that. They're the real shares, man. Now, the number of fake shares out there, you don't know if you have a real share or a synthetic share. But it's very safe to assume that if you've bought your share 4 days ago or longer, your share is real. Legally, if everybody's doing what they say they're supposed to be doing, naked shares can only last 4 days. And beyond that, if there is some sort of crazy corruption going on out there, your broker knows, the NSCC knows, and the SEC knows that you're sitting on fake shares. You won't know, but the SEC will know. Hey, but I bought 12 shares today for the same price I paid for 100 in January from Bond in Wales. What is up, Lyndon? Very nice. I know that we're a lot more expensive, 10 times more expensive than they were just a couple months ago. But that's good, right? We're supposed to be going up right now. We're supposed to be going up in price. Do I have pants on? Knox. I have shorts on. Naked shares. Daniel Flores. Yeah. Naked shares, yeah. No, guys, I don't think there's as many naked shares as a lot of people expect there to be out there. But I would assume there's some. SEC might know, but do they care? Doesn't seem like they do. That is a big question there. They should care. Absolutely. That is the question. They should care. Clover will hurt AMC more than will help overall. Not necessarily. If people double their money on Clover today and they buy AMC with it, that's great. That's great. Some ain't none. Some ain't none. Some ain't none. I like it. If you have some shares of AMC no, if you're still talking about the naked shares, yes, some ain't none. Guys, I don't think there are drastic of billions of fake shares out there. But yeah, I think that there are fake shares that live at least 4 days on the market. I really think there are fake shares that live at least 4 days on the market. You can hold me on record saying that. Hey man, what about Sensonics? It's got potential. AMC, future millionaire. Oh my goodness. There isn't supposed to be any naked chairs. There are no naked chairs. But yeah, look, naked shares are allowed to exist for 4 days. Technically, every single person that buys a share immediately, just assume that is a naked share for 4 days. Okay? You can safely assume that it's a naked share for 2 days. That's why you can't go out and day trade AMC unless you got a margin account, or day trade shares unless you got a margin account, because it takes 2 days for these shares to settle. So technically, everybody's got naked shares for at least 2 days. And then if they don't get covered, you've got a naked share for at least another 2 days. So just it's safe to assume that, yeah, until that share settles, it's a naked share. Knox, thank you for the super chat. Do you believe that everyone should buy a little fraction of AMC every hour? Knox, I have no idea what that would do. I think that you watched Richard's video on that. I have no idea what that would do at all. I don't see, I mean, yes, buying a share of AMC every hour would be great, but I don't know why it has to be fractional. Maybe just so you can afford it? I'm not sure. I don't know what that would do, though. Do they keep recycling naked shares? Recycling? Like selling naked shares back to cover naked shares? No. It's a synthetic share until you sell. You don't. So don't sell AMC, you goofs. I don't know if it's a synthetic share until you sell, but yeah, the name of the game is not to sell AMC at this point. What keeps the price stagnant? Supply and demand. Supply and demand. If nobody's willing to pay more for the stock, a lot of people think that buy orders are going to drive the stock up. Well, what if your buy orders come in lower than the current price? If nobody's willing to pay more than $54.72, why would the price go up? There has to be people willing to pay more than the current market price for it to go up. Day traders killing us. Chase, day traders are hindering us. Absolutely. Hit that like button for my handsome bro, Clay Dizzle. Thank you very much. Hit the like button. Videos just stuck on loading screen. Your channel only does this. Chat works, but we can't see or hear. X21, leave and come back, man. Leave and come back. I think you must have been in here prior to me actually clicking go live, and you've been stuck now for 57 minutes on the loading screen. Just leave and come back, dude. It'll work, I promise. Why are we not talking about GameStop as much? No one is. Not Jair. There's a lot of people talking about GameStop more than they're talking about AMC. Thank you very much for the super chat, Not Jair. There's a lot of people that are solely focused on GameStop. I put my focus on AMC. GameStop is definitely a solid play, though. So don't think that you can't make money in GameStop just because we don't talk about it a ton on this channel. Do you think the GameStop earnings announcement tomorrow could be a potential catalyst for AMC? I don't think that GameStop's earnings is going to be a direct catalyst for AMC, but I think that if GameStop trades nicely following their earnings report, then yeah, I think that it could be like an indirect catalyst for AMC. But I don't think that just because GameStop reports something good, that AMC is going to rise because of it. Clay, bro, what's going on? What's going on, Mike? How are you doing, man? Clay, I am done. Clay, I'm done. I'm taking a trip to Citadel. Do it, Diamonds. Do it. San Francisco Gorilla. Thank you for the super chat. Do I sell my 10 contracts at $10 for June 18th, or do I exercise them and take the 500 shares on top of my already 5,000? Well, dude, if you got 10 contracts, that would be 1,000 shares. Completely up to you, man. Completely up to you. Here's the deal. I don't know the size of your portfolio. I don't know how many shares total you have, what percentage of your portfolio is currently in AMC. If you think that exercising all of those and adding those shares to your current portfolio would overexpose you to AMC and you don't want to take that risk, dude, sell your contracts, take the profit, and then if you don't want to buy any more shares of AMC because you want to continue diversifying, I don't have a problem with that, dude. I love to see if people are going to hold the shares but profit off the price move in AMC using options. Perfect. But if you have room in your portfolio for AMC, you have the money to buy those stocks there, dude, that's gonna help to squeeze out more than just options would. So it's however you want to play it, but that would be my take on that. Rocket, do the naked shares need to cover? Yes. Thank you very much for clearing that question up, Rocket. Thank you for the super chat. I appreciate that. The naked shares do need to cover. Absolutely. Listen to Rocket. Not financial advice, but it is very, very good advice because it is correct. How do you think the squeeze will... Hey, do you think there will still be squeezes in 5 to 10 years? Yes, I do. I still think that they'll be shorting in 5 to 10 years. Absolutely. Oh my goodness. All right, we need to plug the phone in, and we've been here an hour. I'm going to use the restroom too, but we need to plug the phone in. Give me 2 seconds, guys. We got 15% battery, and we don't want to lose anybody here. So let's... Can you guys still see me? Good. 2 seconds. I'm plugging the phone in. Come on. You guys can watch me plug the phone in. Come on. You don't mind, do you? Jonathan Hernandez, thank you for the super chat. Let's see what Jonathan's got to say here just in a second. All right, Jonathan, what do you got to say? Yo, what up, gang? Working on my day off to buy more AMC stock. Let's get it. Very nice, Jonathan. Working on your day off to add to the cause, buy more AMC stock, and that's where it's at. Ape Nation, guys, give me 1 minute. I'm going to go use the restroom. I will be back, and you know by now, this is the Good Luck Water Brodel. Make sure, here's the deal. There's 823 people in here. There better be 823 when I get back. Also, 256 likes. That is pretty weak. If we don't have 300 likes by the time I get back, I'll probably just stay in the bathroom. So, 2 seconds. No, actually 1 minute. Nobody can go in 2 seconds. Lauren Quinn, 883. Yes, that is the Twitter. 883 is also a lucky number if you want to use it. Absolutely. Man, we lost like 50 people while I was in the bathroom. Thank you guys for sticking around. All right, here's the deal. While I was using the restroom, I was thinking, what happens if AMC squeezes to $883? And my number's 883. What if that happens? Is that going to be good? Is that going to be bad? Hey, and also, did I miss any super chats or anything while I was in the restroom? Let me know that. Raven Shigar, thank you very much for the super chat. Apes, hold strong, and apes, hodl. I'm in with 1990 shares. Good year, actually. Bought them at 54.63. It was kind of scary today seeing the price movements. Dude, it might be scary, but here's the good news. You got some decent support forming at that level, so I think that you're going to be okay sitting around there right now. Hey, man, we could fall, we could go back up, but, dude, we're not even close to reaching the potential that AMC has, so you're good. 883 is good for me. Thank you very much for the super chat, Mrs. K. I appreciate that very much. And I was wondering, $883, that might be a, we're going to have to remember that, okay? Write that down, guys. Write that down. I may have predicted this back in 7th grade when I made that screen name. Wait for 1K. Chase, That is the plan, man. The plan is actually to hold out for as long as possible. I'm just throwing 883 because I was thinking about that for some reason. I don't know why I was thinking about it, but Cliff's not selling you ding dong. If 883 happens, I'd have 460,000. Woohoo! I'll take it, Jerry. I love Jerry doing the math already, man. It's great. If 883 happens, he's got that much money. Perfect. Steve Cleveland. Sorry for what, dude? I love ding dongs. Somebody loves ding dongs. News tomorrow. What do you mean news tomorrow, man? We got GameStop earnings report coming out tomorrow. We got a shareholder meeting or something going on tomorrow for GameStop. As far as AMC goes, the news is looking good, okay? The news is looking good, and we always stay optimistic for AMC. It's 883 for Clove. No, 883 is not for Clove. Make me a millionaire. Oliver, I will make you a millionaire, man. You stick here long enough. You click that subscribe button. You click that like button. One day, you will become a millionaire. Is Clove the next AMC? No, it is not. What about Baby Shark token? There's a Baby Shark token? Precise Incision. Think of it as super chat. If there's a Baby Shark token and they tell kids about it, Baby Shark token is going to be doing a phenomenal job. So, yes, get the kids involved, get them a credit card, and tell them about Baby Shark token, and then it's going to just soar. It'll be better than Dogecoin one day. But we got to get these kids. We got to get these tiny little kids crypto wallets. I love your channel. You're the only one I listen to. Mendez, I thank you. You can listen to more than just me, for sure. But I appreciate the fact that you do listen to me and that we're having a good time here, man. We're consolidating at this point. It surely does look like it. It surely does look like it. Nothing better than Doge. I don't know, man. Baby Shark token. If you give kids a credit card, they will be buying Baby Shark for sure. Is there a vote for more shares upcoming? Where do I vote? No. Z-Boy, yes, there is. If you were a shareholder on record at the close of June 2nd, then you will be allowed to vote in the upcoming shareholder meeting on the ballot there. And you should get some information from your broker when they send those ballots out. I'm not greedy. I'm fine with AMC hitting 80 to 100. LOL. Adam, thank you very much for the super chat. Me too, man. Me too. 80 to 100 for AMC. Excellent. But I honestly, I don't believe that that's the true potential of AMC. I think that if you get out at that point, you're still going to have a lot of retail investors jumping in and buying up your shares. But I think that you do have a lot more potential than just 80 to 100. Crypto's sleeping for now. Yeah, crypto's down a little bit now. That is a fact. Love y'all except you. I don't like you. Okay, well, good. Stevie Cleveland, good. Do you Patreon Clay? I do not have a Patreon, sorry. Do you think this squeeze could happen tomorrow if we see volume come back? Scott, it could happen any day, but guys, volume, we don't need the volume to drive the price up. We just need people to offer a higher price for the shares. We don't need volume. Homeless man, think of it super chat. How will we know if they cover naked shares if no one knows they even exist? Thank you for the info and your content. Holding from Latvia, Europe. Excellent question, man. Excellent question. Here's the deal. A lot of people that believe in these crazy conspiracies that there are billions and billions and billions of naked shorts out there. Yeah, that gets difficult because if nobody knows they exist, and these people believe that SEC don't know they exist, like they're not tracked anywhere, they're completely naked, they're completely invisible, and nobody knows what's going on. You are correct, man. They're not going to be able to find those shares to cover them. But the naked shorts that actually exist, they're on record with the SEC. The SEC knows about them. They will be covered. So, and personally, I don't think that they're in such quantities that a lot of people are promoting. But just know that the actual naked shorts out there will be covered. It's not something that you have to lose sleep over, man. Clay, man, what you catching? Catching money? Like, what are we talking about here? Fishing lures? Oh, fishing lures. No, I don't fish. Don't fish. I'm exclusive to this channel. Nice, Matt Perry. Nice. That, my friend, is why you have an incoming delivery to not the AMC Vigilante, just AMC Vigilante. Thank you for the super chat, Adam. Oh, I'm not getting out at 80 to 100. I would be very happy after buying it at 16. Adam, that is my take on AMC exactly, man. Look, if you guys, even if you bought in at $50 right now, you're still going to be happy if it goes to 100. If you make any money, you're going to be happy. But yeah, $80 to $100, excellent from where we started. I mean, really, this kind of everybody really started catching on board around $5 per share, right? I know it was at $2 to $20 and really consolidated at $5. So I know a lot of people were on board at $5 per share, but we're already up so much money. We're already making so much money, but the potential isn't even starting yet. And that is what I love about this. Absolutely. Remember when you 2x your investment? Yeah, remember when you were 2x in your investment and that was cool? Like, welcome to 2021, guys. That's why we're making 2021 the best year ever. What is the best time of day to buy AMC? All day long is the best time of day to buy AMC. There's no rhyme or reason to it going up or down. There's no pattern to it. It's good. Clover's owned by Citadel, so yes, it was a distraction. Well, Citadel owns a lot of AMC shares too. Not financial advice. Listen to bro when mowing your lawn. Makes the time go by faster. That is life advice right there, man. Listen to bro when mowing your lawn. You might learn something. If you don't learn anything, you should probably have a good time. And all good news, right? All good news. All day, every day, buy. Cookie, that is right. All day, every day. But they own more calls than puts. On Clover is what you're saying, because they I don't know if you're talking about Citadel on owning more calls than puts on AMC. Okay. All right, cool, John. Thank you for clearing that up there, John, because I looked at Citadel's position on AMC the other day, and I was thinking that no, they were more heavily invested in puts and shorts than they are AMC. Yes, correct, John. Very good, man. Very good. Thank you for clearing that up, too, because I was like, where's John at with this one? What's your predictions for tomorrow, Clay Bro? Always optimistic. Always optimistic. I want a green day. Guys, I have no idea what's going to happen tomorrow, though. Nobody really does. Like, I can tell you it's going to go up. I can tell you it's going to go down. I can tell you it's going to close exactly at the same level that they closed at today. But it's just a guess. I stay optimistic, though. Why y'all set on 100? Just so it's a nice round number and we can bust right below, right through that. AMC experiencing volume exhaustion. Dude, I don't think 200 shares is exhausting. Remember, just a couple weeks ago, we were at 30 million shares a day being traded? Clay, seems like momentum has slowed down massively. Nicolette. Possibly, but that's why we're consolidating at these prices so we can bounce even higher here pretty soon. If at AMC to 1K tomorrow, let's go, Velocity. 1,000 tomorrow. Big boom boom stick on the AMC coming in. Dude, you're a 1 minute bar guy. You're a 1 minute bar. I don't see any 1 minute boom booms. But if there are, we like those boom booms, right? That's okay, Daryl. I'll send you a screenshot of my portfolio when I have 8 figures. Nice, Matt. Nice. BRB. Rocket, come on back, man. Come on back. Buy the dips for the freaking rips. Yes, Nolan. That is good advice to live by. What is the probability based on human behavior that we peak at this during the squeeze at 500 or 1,000? The lower number, the higher the probability. So, always, the higher the number, the less likely. There's a 1 minute boom boom. All right, very nice. My wife said I'm a 3 minute guy. Well, she must know you better than I do. Oh my God, shame on me. I didn't subscribe and like. Steve Cleveland, man. Subscribe to the channel and click that like button. Do you think we'll go up to $200 a share? Yes, at one point. I think that we could see $200 a share. My friend just bought 1,000 of AMC and asked me if it was too late. And I told him once it hit 100, you're going to be glad you bought in at 55. Yeah, I would agree with that. 55 seems expensive now, right? We need to hang out more. We should, Clay Bros Hair. We should. We hang out every day, though, but we should hang out more. Yeah, dude, that's like last week, or not last week, like last month, people were thinking that $14.50 was expensive. Don't you wish you could buy AMC for $14.50 right now? UONE has been really good the last 7 days or so. All right, you guys could check that one out too. Ross, you sound scared. Ross, don't be scared, man. How many shareholders do you think there are? Personally, I think there's probably over the 3.2 million that we saw last time. Count's coming out tomorrow. I think there's probably over the 3.2 million we saw last time. Amen. Thank you very much, Steven, for clicking that subscribe button. Nikki, you're good. Hey, bro, $883,000 per share. Chris, yeah, start floating that around there on the Reddit verse, and they might pick up onto that one, and then they'll know where that came from. I like it. 4 million. 4 million what? I don't know. Let's go to $1,000 a share. I hope so. Matt Perry, not scared, just frustrated. Ross, don't be frustrated, man. Está tudo bem. Está tudo bem. Farmy as well. There's another symbol out there. You can be a sugar mama. You can be my sugar mama. You can be their sugar mama. Okay. 4 million holders. Okay, Vincent, that's what the 4 million was. Sounds legit though. I could get on board with that. What are you frustrated with? Probably consolidation. I would assume the consolidation that we were seeing here. Can we round 4 million per share to the moon? 4 million per share? I don't know if we could do that. Do you think the SEC will step in and shut this down? Kevin, I don't. I don't think they can shut it down, man. What price target for AMC? I want to see 1,000, but it's not a target. It's not like, it's just what I want to see. I don't think that that's where it's going to go. I want to see that. It can go way higher. It can go way lower if people sell, but I want to see 1,000. The market makers have hedged the $40 call options for next week. I think that the market makers hedge everything. They do everything very intelligently, so I believe that they are prepared for those calls. People stop buying the other stocks like WTF. Are we dividing us? We're getting weak. I don't know if they're using money. I can't tell you to go 100% in AMC, but I don't know if people are selling AMC to buy the other stocks or not. If that's the case, don't do that, guys. But Clay, tell us what you think about the Fox News FUD on SEC cracking down on our movement. Did you see the news? I didn't see the actual news. I only saw headlines and then some stuff that people were sending me, but I didn't see the actual news. If the SEC is cracking down on this, how would that be FUD? I don't know if that would necessarily be a bad thing if the SEC cracked down on it, unless, of course, they halted trading. I would be worried about that. Hey, Clay, bro, what is your OnlyFans page? Send link, please. Jake, I don't have one, man. If you were checking the chart out every 2 minutes, then yes, it might seem like momentum is slowed. That is true. The word they're coming after us. After us? Oh, boy. No, I wouldn't worry about that, guys. Here's the deal. Buying, if you can get in and you can somehow manipulate the market, then yes. I'd be worried about that. But just because a bunch of friends get together and buy a stock, that's not manipulation. So I would not be worried about them coming after people on social media for anything like that. Because if you can manipulate the market yourself, dude, if Citadel goes out and puts in a buy order for $1 billion right now, or if 10 million of us go out and put in a $100 order and we drop $1 billion, it's the same thing. I've only got one friend, to be honest. Lauren, that's one more than I have. Come on now. You're doing good. Is there any way that hedgies can get together and make a deal with the SEC claiming systematic risk to shut down AMC activity? Dennis, I would say no. They're not going to shut down. They might halt the stock. They might suspend the stock, but they're not going to shut it down. I'll be your friend. Candy, very good. You can be my friend too. I got 2 of them. Who needs friends when you have AMC shares? That's why I only got 2 friends now. Why do you think there are more put options than call options? What do you mean? Why are they holding more put options than call options? Or why are there currently more put options available than call options? Not exactly sure what you meant by the question. What happens with AMC if GameStop squeezes tomorrow? AMC will likely go up in price. You're going to buy a boat and name it AMC. I like it, AG. That's a good name. You in Philly? No, I'm in Ohio. Are you in Philly? Can't hear you. Jake, turn your volume up, man. There's a button on the side of your phone. You can turn it up. How do we know the hedge funds have covered all their shorts? What will you use to gauge their status? Stockman, good question, man. I don't think we're going to know real time. I really don't think that we're going to know real time. You can trust Ortex data if you want, but just know that it is an estimate. So you're trusting an estimate, but we're not going to know real time. Price action could be very indicative of whether or not the shorts have absolutely covered their shares or not, but it's still not going to be 100% accurate. What do you think about high-frequency trading using computers to trade faster than any man or woman alive, or any man or woman ever could? Why is this legal? Steve, why would it not be legal? Just because they can trade shares fast. Why is that not legal? I don't have a problem with high-frequency trading, guys. Why is there more puts than call options in AMC? If you're asking for the availability, because they might think that there's more room to the downside than there is to the upside right now. If you're talking about why have more people bought puts than call options, because there's a lot of people that either want insurance on their positions, or two, there's more people that think AMC is going to go down than there are that think it's going to go up. Did you see Matt Core's interview with Wes? No, I was not watching him during that. I watched him for like a half hour this morning, and I did not see the interview. But a lot of people said that he was going to post that this evening, so we're going to watch that this evening. Are we confident in $100 this week? Confident? No. Hopeful? Yes. $60 wall must hold secrets out of Area 51 because they don't want us near it. It could hold some secrets, yes. Matt Perry is confident AF that we will break 100 this week. I hope we do, guys. I hope we do. Absolutely. Made me pretty confident. The interview made you pretty confident? Is that what you're saying? Consult the Magic 8 Ball. Let's do it, guys. And the Magic 8 Ball says, very likely. All right, cool. Stanley created Clay. Thanks for your honesty. Like hanging with you. Shruti, I like hanging with you. Thank you very much for being in here. Clay, bro, what is your video going to be about tonight? M. James, good question. I don't know yet. What should it be about tonight? What do you think about Julio to Tennessee, though? Dude, Julio to Tennessee? I will be honest with you. I have no idea what that even is in reference to. So how many people in the world own a share of AMC? A lot, Scott. A lot. We will find out maybe tomorrow. Hello, bro. What is up? I just got here, sell, holding, but haven't been keeping up. Are we still holding? The majority of us still holding. Lynn, yes, the majority of us are still holding, for sure. What's to stop the hedge funds from faking us by not trading anymore? Making us believe they're finished covering their shorts to get us out and sell like crazy. Stockman, nothing. But what's to say that the hedge funds are currently trading AMC stock? I don't know if they are. Trapper, yes, sir. Yes to Trapper on something. How come AMC ended only at 55.05? Because nobody was offering much higher than that towards the end of the day. It's all about Josh Allen and Diggs. Everywhere else is FUD. Okay. Does buying a fraction of share tactic work? Julio, if you can convince me how that would work, I'll think about it. But no, I don't see how that would happen. Okay, see you on TMI. I'm waiting for your channel. Nice. Waiting for Vigilante's channel, I would assume. Are you growing a playoff beard, Clay? Should I? Man, I heard the hedge is trillions in capital. Take it to get to $300 trigger margin call. Will we even get there? Dude, I don't know why 300... Nicolette, sorry for calling you dude. I don't know why 300 would trigger a margin call. But, yeah, the hedge funds have about 3.8 trillion under management at the moment. And Jake Rogers, thank you for getting blocked there by Matt Perry. No, I do like to joke around, but I don't know who. I don't know. There's a lot of other people that you can watch as well. So, do you have sweet corn in? No, AMC, I do not. Thank you for asking. No, thank God the Titans took over the massive contract. Okay, you guys know a lot more about football than I do, so go on, talk football if you would like. Bam is a snake. Guys, I need to check out Bam. I don't know what's going on with everybody talking about Bam. Clearly, he's making a name for himself. People were probably saying the same thing about me a couple months ago, though. Do I think that hedge funds can shut down Reddit? I think that anybody willing to spend a certain amount of money can definitely sway people into doing what they would like. Is that a hairpiece? Jack, it is not a hairpiece. Thank you for asking. I think we need some peach badges. What do you guys think? Lauren, that is a great idea. Would anybody like a peach badge? Let me know. Is there anybody in here that would like a peach badge? That's a decent idea. The Trapper says yes. We need some peach badges in here. Predicted 20 times. He predicted like 20 times. Wrong. Who? Bam? I don't know who we're talking about now. I'll take a peach badge. M. James wants a peach badge too. Bam fell off the rails. Okay. Now what? I'll take an ape. You guys. Oh my God. I told him yesterday I requested the peach badges. Lord says yes. Now I know what I need to do after I get the video posted tonight. Now I know what I'm going to have to spend a little bit of time doing. Oh, boy. Requested it yesterday. All right, Cookie, very good. I know what I'm going to have to be doing then after this. Peach Fuzz, yes. The only peach you guys are going to be seeing on here is this peach right here. So there will be some badges possibly coming tomorrow. Keep your guys' eyes open for those badges. Why did everything drop at the same time? Sell-off across the board. Sell-off across the board. Clay, bro, you look like Travis Fimmel in the Vikings. In Vikings, if he grew out his beard and hair. Oh, Clay, bro, would. Noble. Would I? I don't even know who that is. Fake sell-off? Yeah. Okay. Well, somebody was selling off, right? What price do you think will trigger a margin call? Nicolette. You would have asked me that last week. I would have told you $50, but clearly now I know that they're in it for the long run. They're going to be playing this game for quite a while. Why isn't there any after-hour movement? Because nobody's buying or selling after hours right now. Clay's a really nice guy. Well, thank you very much, AMC. Don't do it on this video, but check out Investopedia, man. Or Matt Perry states SEC can suspend trading very easily. Please tell me I'm wrong. Stu, I don't think you're wrong, man. I don't think you're wrong. If they're investigating something, they can suspend trading. If a company has an announcement that they need to make, they can suspend trading. It's not that hard to suspend trading. Here's the thing, guys, though. Trading won't be suspended forever. So please do not be afraid if they suspend trading. Don't be like, if the price doesn't move for a week, it's going to move the week it opens. So don't be afraid and just sell off the moment it comes back to life if they suspend trading. Yeah, just don't do it, guys. Like, don't be afraid. Don't let anything scare you. I'll sell my share, 30 shares. I don't want to lose more money. Okay, Kevin. Well, if you sold them, that's okay. Clay, do you follow investor Mike Sockpick? No. AMC, I do not. Suspend is temporary. Yes. Suspensions are temporary. Halts are temporary. You guys got, like, don't be worried about a suspension. Blackberry Clove, AMC, Gmail all had a fake sell-off at the same time. Evan Diaz. I don't know if it was fake, man, but it was definitely a sell-off in price, right? Suspension of trading could be good for us. Yeah, but I think a lot of people that don't understand it are just going to be worried and jump off the ship right away. Soon may the Tendy Man come. That's what we hope for. Hey, Clay, do you know who Claybro is? Yes, I am Claybro. Clay's an amazing stepbrother. Weirdo. All right. It's good to share walk downs. Okay. What if you have calls and it suspends? If you've got calls and it suspends, that's a good question. I'm going to have to look into that. I don't know the answer off the top of my head if you've got calls and it suspends. I would imagine you could still put your order in, like if you were going to exercise them. Hey, Clay, buy 1 billion shares so we can get this squeeze party started. Come on, homie. We're growing eager. Ross, vamos, Ross. Let's do it, man. Just $1 billion in shares is nothing, right? Kimberly, thank you for the peach. If you guys don't know by now, I have to imitate the super chats that come on by, or the super stickers in this case. And this is the only peach you guys are going to see on this channel right now. So thank you very much for that super sticker. And I appreciate that very, very much. If they suspend trading, couldn't the hedges just trade without hedges and with other hedge funds and market makers, I think? No, I don't think that it's just suspension of that market. I believe that they have, like, it's suspension of that stock. So if you guys believe that there's a ton of manipulation going on in the dark pools, then yeah. Then your answer to that question would be yes. But if you believe that dark pools are like legitimate dark pools, then the answer is no. Okay, so now I got where that peach is popping out in the chat. Yes, Shruti, now you've got it. Does Clove have a significant effect for our AMC stock? I don't think so. Will buying AMC with all your super chats? Will you be buying AMC with all my super chats? I don't know if I'm gonna buy all AMC with the super chats, guys. Like I said, I don't want 100% of my portfolio in AMC at a certain point. So I don't know. I'm definitely adding to my position though. I don't just go out and have 100% invested in any one stock. I don't think that's a good overall investment scheme. But I know a lot of people really want to go 100% on AMC because the potential's there. But at the end of the day, you got to remember to diversify. Clay, now we know how bad Adam Aaron did last week when he killed the momentum. Juan Medina. Good. Good. Glad you know. Shame. Ding, ding, ding. Shame. Ding, ding, ding. Shame. Dean, we need the ding ding back, don't we? Cali Memes Trades, thank you for the super chat. Oh, I don't have. Somebody told me I need to get some props out here, but I don't have any sunglasses here. So what do you do for glasses? Isn't it like we'll get these. That was terrible. Cali, dude, that was very terrible. I'm sorry for that one. I will have to get some sunglasses on for next time. And appreciate the super chat. Sorry I failed at that one. I've only just realized that Matt Perry is vigilante. Yes, Matt Perry is vigilante. He's had a couple different names in here. Matt Perry was original, then he changed it to vigilante. Now he's back to Matt Perry. You try, dude. I try. It's difficult when you don't have sunglasses sitting by you. The interview with Matt and Wes was amazing and eye-opening. All right, very good. I will definitely have to check out the video when he posted tonight. GameStop jumped up to 500 in a short time because their float is small, forcing their gamma squeeze. AMC to 500 or 1,000 could take much longer time period. Would that bail the hedge funds from the squeeze? I don't think that's going to bail the hedge funds from the squeeze. No, but yeah, the float for GameStop is much smaller than the amount of shares outstanding for AMC. Stop watching his pockets. Yes, stop watching the pockets, please. Dude, have you seen how much AMCX has gone up? People got tricked by the wrong stock ticker thing. Dude, that's the kind of people I want buying AMC, because I'm convinced that those people really don't know where the sell button is. The people who are going to mix up AMC and AMCX, that's the people I want buying, because I really don't think they're going to know where the sell button is, so they will hold AMC. Thanks, Adam Aaron, for issuing more shares. I am all for AMC well-being, but why did he issue the shares at that time? Steve, because he wanted the money, man. He wanted the money. Dean Torres, thank you for the peach again. You guys are loving the peach in this chat. Thank you very much for the peach. I appreciate the super chat. If you guys don't know, I have to imitate the super stickers that come on by because there's no chat attached. So, yes, thank you very much for that, Dean. I appreciate it. AMC LFG. Let's go. Let's go, guys. AMC's where it's at. Because he blocked someone. Oh. Don't know who got blocked. Hey, the best sticker to see Claybro mimic is the peach. You guys are nuts, man. I'm telling you. Rocket, thank you for the peach super sticker. I feel like we've got a theme coming with all of these live streams. You know, we've had some pun names come out here. We've had the ding ding live stream, and now this is going to be the peach live stream. So thank you very much for the peach, Rocket. I appreciate the super chat. I'm just going to have to tape the peach to my face permanently, so it always is there. It's the peach squeeze, guys. It is the peach squeeze. I think I'm just going to have to get some tape and, make sure it stays a peach. Just hold the stock and let's talk in 2 weeks. Simple. David, that's the plan, man. Will people do it? Will people do it? Chin. Peach. Peach chin. Aha. Chin butt. Butt chin. Did you see McGregor and Uriah Faber? He should hold a card between rounds and shake that chin. Oh my goodness, guys. It's not going to $100,000. Dirty, we know that it's going to be difficult to reach $100,000, right? We do know that it's going to be difficult, but it doesn't mean that it won't get there. It doesn't mean that it's impossible to get there. Difficult, yes. Impossible, no. So we just have to see and really see how long people can hold out for. Not with those paper hands. Definitely not with those paper hands, guys. And you're adopted. I might be. Mom, Dad, if you're watching right now, is there something you want to tell me? Vote no for the 25 million shares. I'm voting no. Matt Perry, drop knowledge, man. Drop some knowledge, Matt Perry. Let's do it. Mother of all short squeezed chin. Yes. Dirty must be really smart. Maybe. I don't see what Dirty's saying here. Got to specify. All right. Hold, and continue holding. Sorry at work. What did I miss? I don't know what you kissed, dude, but what did you miss? We need Claybro t-shirts of you imitating super chats. DD214. I don't know how easy that would be to make happen. I think that would be a little bit more difficult, but it's possible. Good idea to buy puts on AMCX since the price will drop when people figure it out it's the wrong stock. Grr. That's something to think about. That's something to think about. Because if they really are buying AMCX because of AMC, then yeah, the price is going to go back down for AMCX once they realize that they got the wrong stock. So yeah, that might be a decent idea. I didn't think about that, so you might be onto something there. Prediction on AMC stock price end of the week. I'm optimistic that the price will be up by the end of the week. I am a financial advisor. Would love to help give a good understanding of what's going on, what I see happening. # bullish. Toby, very good, man. Very good. Clay Bro, your perspective is second to none. Much. Weirdo. I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that. But, you know, take my perspective and take somebody else's perspective too. And then develop your own perspective. Dan, AMCX expensive? Yeah, it is expensive. Matt Perry will never quit calling out paper hands. He never will. That is a fact. Thoughts on Clove? It had a nice day today. Toby, what's your AMC GME price prediction for the end of the week? Probably up would be his price prediction. I have a serious issue to ask you, Clay. John, bring it on, man. What is the serious issue? I want to know. I am new to your channel. Are you buds with Trey and Matt? I don't have a problem with Trey and Matt, but I don't know them. So if they want to be my friend, Trey, Matt, if you're watching right now and you want to be my friend, let's be friends, guys. Let's be friends. Clay Bro, hopefully volume picks up tomorrow and worries the FOMO. Any worries the FOMO has run dry until we see new highs. Wesley, no, I do not worry that FOMO is drying up. I do have a question though. Why does everybody relate higher volume with a higher price? Is it because we have more buyers coming in? Is that what it is? Is it because we have more buyers coming in? Is that why everybody relates higher volume with a higher price? Yes, okay. Just because we got more buyers coming in, they think the price is higher. What happens when you have more sellers selling those shares? You can still have high volume, and it drives the price down even further. Higher volume does not equal higher price. It seems to be that a lot of people think that. This is the peachiest live I have ever seen. Lauren, it is definitely the peachiest live I have ever seen as well. Why is everyone freaking out when it doesn't go up for a few days? David, because they're new. They're new. What's your first sell floor? Man, my first sell floor, we blew through that. It was $6. You buy in at $5, first sell floor is $6. We blew by that a long time ago, man. Don't worry about that. Claybro's Peach, it was higher price. That might be, you might be on to that one. Volume is trending. Yeah, volume has a better correlation with volatility than it does price. But it seems to be a lot of people think that price, higher volume equals higher price. What happened today? We closed green. That is what happened today. Why do we hate consolidation? I don't hate consolidation, man. I love consolidation. It means the market is accepting that price for that stock, and that's okay. We reach $50, $55 for AMC and consolidate there. Guys, there's nothing wrong with that. Do you own any GameStop? I do not own any GameStop. I don't have any GameStop. I focus more on AMC, talking about these stocks. Holding $145 strike price. Strike calls strong. Very nice, Tom. Tomomania. I don't know. Very good. Those are some very far out of the money options, and you could hit on those and be very good. Thoughts on real estate? Own real estate. That's a good thought. Rock you with a super chat. Gents, change your Tinder bio to only holding AMC. Thank me later. There seems to be a growing community on Twitter that, yes, holding AMC is doing very well for a lot of people. And Rocket, that is not financial advice. That's dating advice, man. I think that might work out for a lot of people. How many shares do you have? I have shares, man. I lost count of how many shares I have. Yeah, that's happening. I know for a fact. Yeah, that is definitely happening. Peachiest. I know, Lauren. I know what you meant. I'm going to change my YouTube picture to Claybro's Peach. Dean, go for it, man. Go for it. I don't understand why there isn't another Claybro's Peach in here. We got Claybro's hair. Like, Claybro's Peach is next. Like, Come on now, somebody jump on that. Add, hold, and come hang out every day till we get rich. Jamal Jones, man. I don't think I could have said it any better myself. That's what I'm doing. Clay, have you seen Clove? No. Jared, what's going on with Clove, man? What's going on with Clove? I think I just don't have a tinner. I'll smell that. I don't know. What are we smelling, man? What are we smelling? Do you think that it has a good chance of going to 100,000, or is it just nonsense talk? I don't think that it has a good chance of going to 100,000, but it's not nonsense. Shills. Clove got pumped. Yes, Clove had a good day today, guys. Up 90% on the day. Clove had a very good day today. I might have to put more folks in timeout for this Clove talk. A lot of people are loving Clove. Bro, Clay Bros Brodel, what is up? What's up with the water, Brodel? They've already shut down Fast Leap. Okay, a lot of paid bots are loving Clove. Dude, a lot of people are loving Clove today, man. They really are. Do you have any dividend-paying long-term holds? What might they be? No, I don't have any long-term focused holds on dividends right now. I don't know, guys. Dividends that pay 5 to 10%, they're good, but I don't have a huge portion of my portfolio dedicated to dividends. Is the latest shiny distraction? Yes, Clove is possibly the latest shiny distraction. So my Clove today had it since January. Very nice. You profited very well then. Well, actually, I don't know what the price was in January. Maybe you just profited. Because I know it actually came back down. So I don't know if you profited nicely today or not. But you probably did profit. What's your opinion? What would the catalyst to move AMC price from 55 to 100? Either FOMO buyers or people finally holding the stock and not selling it. What's up, Clay Bro? AMC didn't really do any moves today. Yes, it did not move very well today, but didn't bother me, right? We still closed green. I'm happy you had a chance to exit Clove. Yeah. Farmy is the next pump. Yeah, guys, pump Farmy. Clove is a distraction. Yes. Holy smokes, I forgot about cloves. These folks, and oh my gosh, AMC didn't move. Oh my gosh. Dude, it didn't move for one day. Like, don't forget, we're still up, 400% from 2 weeks ago? See what I did there? Yes. See what you did there. 1,000 shares, not 5,000. I wish. 1,000 shares is very good. Or if you're saying 1,000 per share, still very good. WTF, I thought the market closes at 4. Dude, you thought the market closes at 4 p.m. Pacific time? Oh my God, AMC hasn't moved. I'm only up 48,000. Terrible. Terrible. Can you take profit and not actually sell your shares? No. Unless you took a loan out, but that wouldn't be profit. So no, you have to sell your shares to take profit. You need to answer if Citadel is going to shut down Reddit website. John, I don't think that Citadel is going to shut down Reddit's website. If they did, are they going to shut down YouTube and Twitter and Facebook and everywhere else too? Pump farmers? Yes, guys. Farmers need a lot of help. Make sure to go to your local farmers market and buy some locally grown produce, please. Would you buy more AMC at the current price? Yes. Hummingbird. Only if you have paper hands. Hummingbird must be wanting to sell. Farmers only. Yes, buy local, guys. Because Reddit is compromised. I don't know. They can shut down Reddit if they want, because I know a lot of people dislike me on Reddit. So, time is the market close. 4 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, I'm hodl. Good. Twitter is getting compromised too. I imagine everywhere is. I imagine Farmy is a farmer. Yes. Of mushrooms. But they can't compromise my brain. We hope not. I think Clove is hedge funds' way to divide and conquer. Possibly, very possibly. The only people freaking out are the folks that FOMO'd last week trying to catch the squeeze without putting in any worker patience. Johnny They are the majority of people that would be freaking out at this point. Yes, Reddit is terrible. I don't know if I agree that it's terrible, but there's a lot of mean people on Reddit, guys. Is it too late to get into AMC? It is not too late to get into AMC. I have too much pride. Good. Stupid question alert. What does paper hands mean? Lauren, paper hands just means that you are willing to sell very early. You cannot hold strong. You cannot hold the stock very long. You will buy it and you will sell it. The stronger your hands, the more diamond they are. And paper hands, they tend to sell quickly. Bro, what's up? What's up, Brett? How are you doing? AMC's going up right now. Is it? Let's see. Is AMC going up right now? Opposite of diamond hands is paper hands. Yes. AMC is going up a little bit right now. That is correct. Still down a little bit after hours, but... No. I want Ameritrade. I want adamantium hands. Richard. That would be good. Have you seen Matt Core's interviews? 2 words. Financial treason. Love the content. Bro. Austin, I did not catch the interview today live. Apparently, he's going to be posting it later. And I will be watching it because a lot of people are talking about it. So it must have been good. Thank you for the super chat, though. I appreciate that. And I will be watching it. Let's see. The Clove tendies reposition in AMC and GameStop. That would be very nice. I would like that. AMC, apes making cash all day, every day. I seen that it was good. Yeah, it seems like everybody saw it. Who saw it in here? Should I watch it? Should I watch it later? Paper hands when mail sits down. The only thing I have on Robinhood is 15 shares of AMC. Should I sell them and buy 15 more on Webull instead of dealing with the transfer, or do I have to pay taxes that way? Well, no, dude. You're still going to have to pay taxes unless you hold it long term. It would still be the same thing. So that's up to you. That wouldn't change the taxes unless you held long term. Mary Ellen says, yes, watch it. Been holding since January. I never thought we'd make it to this day. I don't like red days, but it's so much better than the weeks and weeks of flat days. Yes, I would 100% agree with that. Robinhood got fined $65 million. It's a drop in the bucket, man. Forget about Clove. This is the way. This is the way. I didn't watch Matt Core's interview. Shruti. Well, apparently he will be posting it later if you want to. But make sure you watch it after my video. A mother of all short squeeze is coming. Let's see it. Clayro, what do you think GME will squeeze to? Higher than 480. This kid has a punch me face. Giorgio, I've heard that before. Thank you for reiterating that. If you want to punch me, you can find me in Ohio. It's already posted, Matt's video. All right, well then you can watch that one and then watch my video because it will be posted afterwards. Did you hear Randall Corbett's rant about Charlie? No, I did not. I think we should tell Ape to stick to AMC and forget Clove. Yeah, guys, AMC is the main play. Please. Yes, you can transfer your shares to other brokers in kind and not pay tax. The broker may charge you to do share transfer. Dolph, that is correct, yes. Someone come punch me. I need to feel something. I need to feel something, guys. Apes to Ohio. Let's go. Owen Wilson. Man, I swear I don't look like Owen Wilson, but dude's a cool guy. Please consult the Edge 8-ball for price predictions. I need one. I need one of those. Chet again when you move out of mom and dad's basement. Oh, man. Matt Perry, I can, but you're too beautiful to be ruined. Ooh, nice. Clipper, have you seen that Citadel has a huge position in Clove? It obviously is a trick. Check out the Fintel. I mean, I didn't directly see that today, but a lot of people have been saying that, yes, so they made a lot of money. Guess what they're going to do? Now they got a lot more money to cover their losses in AMC with. Stepped out for a sec. Well, Cookie, glad you're back in here. We'll be hanging out for a little while longer. 2 o'clock drop they pulled off was pathetic. Well, they had a nice little sell-off today, didn't they? Oh, I'll stop. Why do you got to stop, Steve? What are you stopping for, man? Steve, Cleveland, what are you stopping for? How tall is Claybro? How tall do you guys think I am? It's very difficult when you're just looking at a face, isn't it? Matthew Barrett, weren't you in Friends? He was in Friends. But now he hangs out in Claybro's channel, and he's starting his own channel. 5'9", 6 foot, 5'1", 5'8", 5'1", 4'5", 4'5", 5'7". I love it. I love it. A lot of see, nobody can tell. Nobody can tell. And we'll keep it that way. Nobody can tell. 5'8", 5'8", 6'6", 6'9". Ooh. 7'2". Dude, 7'2" is huge. I'm not 7'2", I can tell you that. 3'9", oh, his height. Yeah, not your height. 5'6", Dutchy, all right. 7 foot and bulletproof. I'm not 7 foot, dude. I can walk through doorways. He's short, or he would tell us. Dude, what is short now? Now you guys got me all concerned. I will tell you, I am typically, I don't want to say I'm always the shortest dude in the room, but like, I don't know, it's 5'9", 5'10", that short? I don't think it's that short. Short is 5'7". All right, cool. I make the cut then. What is the price? What is this? The price is right? Yes. Naked shorts? Yes, there's naked shorts and shorts on here. Average. All right, dude. Average. That's normal. Good. Really want to get involved? How do I buy shares? I'm new to all this. You download the Webull account. You click on the link in the description below for Webull. You download it. You deposit $100, and then you buy AMC. It's as simple as that. It's very easy to buy AMC, man. He works, I think, 5'6", Tom Cruise height. Yeah, 5'6". I don't know. It might be a little shorter, right? 5'4" without the hair. 5'10" with the hair. 5'4" without the hair. That is true. Clay, do you have a P.O. box? I'll send you an 8-ball, the magic 8-ball that is. Hobby. Yeah, I'm in the works of getting a P.O. box. I don't know if you're going to send me a magic 8-ball, though. My little brother is 6'7". My goodness. Let's give him a basketball and he can make it to the NBA. I'm like 3'4", yo. All right, Transparency Project, 3'4", good with that. Come on down. The price is right. Why do you not stream during the day? I love your energy more than Matt Kors. No offense, Matt Kors, of course, I love you. Nax, I mean, because here's the deal. If I do stream during the day, I don't know if you guys would really hang out with me because Matt Kors, he eats up all of the views. And if you guys don't even know, like, I can get on here at 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock even, and you guys don't come hang out with me until Matt Kors ends at 4 o'clock. So it's very difficult because I'd be sitting here with only the OGs, man. Only the real troopers out there, the real bros out there would hang out during the day. There's a reason he's not a beast. I don't know who's not a beast. Why are we down today? We are? Are we down today? We might be down a little bit after hours, but we closed in the green, right? Thoughts on Dogecoin? I believe Dogecoin has some good potential. Will it reach $1 one day? I sure hope so. What's up with YouTuber Lou vs. Wall Street? What is up with Lou vs. Wall Street, man? I don't know. I appreciate your honesty. Aaliyah, why not? I appreciate you being here, so thank you for appreciating my honesty. He's been a beast. You read that wrong. Okay, transparency. Yes, I must have read that wrong. I'm very sorry for that. It's difficult to keep up with all of the chat sometimes, though, guys. All need is the few bro. All you need is a few bros, guys. This is true. Yes, Doge will repack $1. I certainly hope so. Is Andrew Mo Money? I like Andrew Mo Money during the day. I have Matt and Andrew up at the same time. It can be done. Will you put me up there too? If you got Andrew and Matt up, will you put me up there too if I go live during the day? What about some breaking stock news updates during the day? Nobody is doing it because they're watching the line. Yeah, dude. A lot of people, all they do is watch the graph. So we could do something like that. Breaking stock news updates if they got something going on there. Under 6. Laura's still guessing. I think under 6. GameStop meeting tomorrow. Yes, there's a GameStop shareholder meeting tomorrow. An earnings announcement, I believe, after the bell. Should I sell AMC? I'm at $60 right now with 20 shares. Dude, if you sell AMC right now, you might miss out on the squeeze, right? Why would you want to do that? AMC 1K, let's go. I sold my GME at $336 today, and 5 minutes later, AMC dipped. Worked out good on building my AMC position. Reef and chill, very nice. I don't know about him. Oh, about who, man? About who? No, I don't even know. Next, yes, me too. Really wish you could live stream during market hours. If you guys would watch, I would do it. If you guys would watch, I would do it. Watch the Wes Christian interview and give your thoughts in your video tonight. Hey, that might be a good idea. Like a reaction video to the interview. That could be something. How long is the video? Somebody tell me how long the video that Matt just posted is on that interview. Hopefully it's not like super long. Watch your stream during market hours. Promise. Destroy the darkness. Well, thank you very much for letting me know. If all you guys really will watch, I probably will try and do it a little bit more. I don't know if I can do like a straight up bell to bell, especially right off the bat. That would be a very long live stream. You deserve to be poor. Well, thank you very much, Eli. I don't know if anybody deserves to be poor, but thank you for your confidence booster to let me know that I have something to work for. Clay, what do you do for work? Dude, we hang out on YouTube for work, right? Rocket, thank you for the super chat. Say a simple I if you would tune in on live stream midday with Clay. Yes, a simple I if you guys would tune in to watch a Clay Bro, I don't know, mid-market, midday live stream. I would. All right, that wasn't that simple, but all right, we're seeing some eyes in here. We know that we would have 8 people watching the live stream. Cookie's throwing an eye emoji out there. Looks like we got about 11 people, 12 people, 15 people watching. Peach, okay, why not? We got about 18 people that would watch the live stream. 19, 23, all right, we're about to 23 right now. Clay Bro, what is up? I'll watch. All right, we got about 28 people that would watch. Looks like we got out of the 537 people in here, it looks like 500 would not watch, and then the other 37 would watch. So, very good. Very good. Clay, you're my favorite. Oh, yes, Candy. Thank you very much. I like you after hours. All right, Franklin. Nothing wrong with that, man. I would still stay on after hours as well. Cool. We got about 50 people that would watch and 500 that wouldn't watch. I like that. Are you watching the peach? Are you showing the peach if we watch? Only for the super sticker, right? You get the peach on a super sticker. Otherwise, it's just natural. You are best, bro. Tashi, you're the best. And that's why I like you being in here. I moderate Matt's channel, so it'll be tricky, bro. Oh, no. Transparency. You can jump back and forth. Would you jump back and forth? Would you at least jump back and forth? Are we using an average mean to decide? If we're using the average, I don't know, because the average is definitely low. 50 people, yes, and 536 no's. Clay Bro, AMC to 1,000. I think that we could reach 1,000. I would watch if you had naked shorts on. Technically, I am wearing naked shorts right now. No to Clove. Okay, good. No to Clove. Mary Ellen says yes. All right, Clove is over. Sorry, mods. I'll stop the spam. Didn't even see that we were getting spammed there. Sorry, Nax. I didn't see that. Plus 2 more zeros. Maybe. Wow. Clove only has 4 employees and is located in Franklin, Tennessee, which is close to me. Very good. Lauren would watch. Well, hey, if Lauren would watch, we got to do it then, right? Miss Chickies. I don't know how to say that last name. I love Limp. Good. You would probably watch as well. I do as well. I don't the next day. When AMC goes to 3,000 on a retire, then I would watch. Dude, so we got to get AMC to 1,000 before you would watch? Okay, we'll get it there. Don't listen to people who are saying this is going to skyrocket this week. I always have false hopes, still holding and not selling. Yeah, guys, I don't know who's saying it's going to skyrocket this week. Janet, thank you for the super chat. Thank you for the peach, Janet. This seems to be what everybody wants to see today, so thank you for the peach, Janet. I appreciate the super sticker, and I hope that everybody else does as well. Janet seems to have a lot of fans now. Very good. All right. Clay Bros Peach, and that is where it's at. All right, guys, here's the deal. So it looks like we're going to be winding down this stream here because I got to get a video out right now. It might be a reaction. I'm going to watch the video. I haven't seen the video yet. If I can come up with something good for it, I'll definitely get that out there. But it seems to be that it's going to be a reaction to the interview with Matt today, and we'll have to check that out. If I don't have that and you guys want to, like if I don't come up with a good reaction or whatever, I don't know. That's like game plan number 1. Game plan number 2, if you guys want to throw something out there, throw out a topic. We could see those as we're going out. And looking like a snap. Ooh, we're talking about Janet still, right? We're talking about Janet. Excellent video. You will enjoy. Very good. I hope that I do. Love you, Clay. Forced recall on shorts. Okay, maybe don't comment off Matt's video. Matt says no, don't do that. Well, it seems like at least don't make a video. All right, well, maybe, I don't know. I'm still going to watch it and see what's going on with that because a lot of people did seem to enjoy it. What is the next stock you get? I don't know. We're focused on AMC right now. And just keep doing you. All right, good. We will definitely keep doing me. Look, guys. Use the link in the description below for Webull if you currently do not have a Webull account. If you don't want to use my account, make sure to use somebody else's. Later, bro. Later to you as well, in my honest opinion. Okay, missed the first one that came across there. Until the next time. Yeah, we didn't say it yet. We didn't say it yet. If you guys want a quick shout out, throw your shout outs out there. If you subscribe to the channel, I'll try to give you a quick shout out. And Twitter, Claybro883 on Twitter. Later, Vincent, man. Hopefully you have a good evening. Just here for Janet at this point. Good. Janet stays here. You stay here. Matthew, catch you later, man. And shout out to Woodlove. Always shout out to Woodlove, right? Laura, yes. Shout out to the apes. Good night, Lauren. Hopefully you have a wonderful night. And don't forget to click on the video either tonight before you fall asleep or tomorrow morning when you wake up. Shout out to Adam Aaron. Adam Aaron, if you're watching right now, shout out to you, my man. And yeah, I think that's it. Later, James. So if you guys want to say it with me. Oh, claybro.com if you would like a bro shirt. Claybro.com. The link is in the description below. Now, I think that's it. Thank you for being you. DD214, thank you for being you, and thank you for being here. Shout you out. Feet Heat? What's up, Feet Heat? Winner, chicken dinner. All right, good. See you, brother. The Fit Bro. I like your name with the bro in there. If you guys want to say it with me, say it with me. And thank you for throwing that link in there, M. James. So until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.